you have work to do, you need a tractor that helps get it done. TYM has a full range of tractors designed to meet the task. With the TYM easy-to-use controls and features, switching from one job to another is easy. And with the full range of models from 24 horsepower to 105 horsepower turbo, there is a TYM tractor that's just right for the job. And for you. Work smart. But you can't buy a TYM tractor just anywhere. It's only sold at authorized TYM dealers, like 405 Tractor located at 6700 North Industrial Boulevard, Edmond, Oklahoma, 73034.